I'm Vibhavsu Bhardwaj and I study in class 10th in DA Public School, Sector 49, Gurugram. While thinking for Yuva Challenge, I thought of many ideas. There were problems going on in India like COVID-19, unemployment and many more. But I chose pollution. Friends, pollution has increased in India with a huge pace, especially in metropolitan cities. I'm living in NCR and I have noticed this change. It reaches alarming level in winters, in Gurugram, in the NCR belt. That is why students are not able to go to their schools. The education is being affected. Government has taken many steps, many policies are being introduced, but people are not following it. So here comes my project. I am going to automate one of the major policies, odd even policy. So by this, we are going to control the corruption and we are going to make it mandatory for everyone to follow the policy. I am going to use Python and Arduino to automate the odd even policy. So let's see how I'm doing it. So this is the database I created. So this is the form by which data about the car can be entered at time of registration. RF cards will be pre-attached in automobiles, then RF receivers will be installed at certain areas. RF receiver will read info of car and will share it with Python. Then Python will check date and read info about RF card in a database and will match that whether both date and registration number is same. Either both are odd or both are even. If it satisfies the condition, green light will switch on. If RFID is found and is also registered with us, but it is not according to the odd even policy, then yellow light will turn on and the user has to pay fine. If user is found not registered with the system, then red light will turn on and user will be registered with us via the form. We will be using this UID for our project. In this case, yellow light should on. Let's see. Yeah, yellow light turned on. You saw? Yeah, this. Yellow light turned on. Let's see again. Yeah, yellow light turned on. You saw? It's working. This is the Python window and you saw it's written stop and the user is registered. Now green light should turn on. Let's see. Yes, green light turned on. Let's see again. Yes, it's working. This time also user is registered, but this time it's written pass. This time user is not registered, so red light should turn on. We got it, red light turned on. And yeah, it turned again. This time Python shows user not registered. I have explained you the project. What would you say about it?
This is a good initiative and this will surely help Delhi to reduce pollution.